It won't take me long.
They're getting close.
Man, he's strong though.
They fight like a smallmouth
Yeah,
because they've got their mouths turned down,
yeah.
and they're what everybody comes here to catch for pound fight inshore,
Yeah.
and they're good year round. There he is.
Come on, you sucker.
He's starting to wear down.
Now he looks a little bit more red.